And Tex first take off with his stick as a tail dragger. Wow, I like that. That's one way to get our field cut.
Feel free to use the entire runway.
That was awesome, dude. See that track nice and straight, didn't it?
You looked like you were going to bail. I was like, no, just pull back, go.
His stick that's been flying around for about 20 minutes. Lost throttle about 5 minutes into the flight, so we're just waiting for it to run out of gas. Waldo, the great one himself, on the stick. There he is.
The most flying I've done in one time in all season. Yeah, thank you.
I want to see you land it like you did your stick last week. Alright, we'll come back when we hear that the engine dead sticks. About, I don't know, 6-7 minutes after my last footage. Still flying strong.
Well, we're 14 minutes on tape, so 20 minutes easy.
Yep, we got 20 minutes in the air, so still no throttle control. But that doesn't seem to matter to the LS Max. It's up there, it says I'm flying, and that's what it's doing.
That's what Tex kept it hostage all summer, all season. It's his first day out. He's like, I'm never coming back. Take me out again. Made me a nice tail dragger, and then left me in the basement. Since I've been with you, he's been at every opening day until this year. I think it was the big stick who cinched it to death.
Alright, well, there's a couple more minutes of footage. We'll come back when the engine dead sticks. Okay, we're back for round 3. And she's starting to cut out eventually, hopefully in the next half an hour or so, maybe. Waldo's done everything in his power to stall it out, but it's not having any of that. Here she comes.
It's down better than that.
And there, my friends, is the conclusion of the 27-minute flight with no throttle control. Tex, nice job building that plane.
Yeah, this is a humdinger.
Way to secure those connectors.
Pull back up again. I tried another wire.
Here's the Monster P-47. Compliments of the one and only Ron Monroe. Don't you stall out. You're going with the wind. come back for the landing. Bringing the big boy home. Sweet.
Left gear. Nope, the gears are good now. Alright, she's in, safe.
But
Do it again.
it's a walk of shame.
Walk the damn thing.
Yeah, that's right. Hang that head low, mister. Ah, boy. It's a big freaking plane.
His fixture was in the way.
There.
Texas, I'm going that way. I balanced it, but it seems a little tail heavy.
Yeah?
Well, tail draggers off. Are they? He loves that tail dragger. Actually, about 8 million touches there. I don't like that. Yep. Once you fly a tail dragger, you're usually in love with a tail dragger. Tail dragger sits down and stays down for you, Jack. Nice. I think this is the first pictures I've had of this plane. It's like I had my camera for the first time last week, and I never saw that one fly once. Beautiful. Can't ask for a better landing.
is dead right now, yeah. Oh, that's corn bound. Wee-hee! Nope, that's good. Nice braking system. And tech is down. Nice.